I thought it might be fun for all my friends out in the blog world to see the other main part of Chicagoland that we spend a lot of time in. This is essentially 2600 Clark. In the Lincoln Park neighborhood. Very close to the Lincoln Park Zoo. We're down here at least once a week for Tess to get her shot. It's about the only time we ever drive. So yeah, we drove down in this morning. And I even managed to get street parking. Because I am indomitable, stubborn, stupid, take your pick. Yeah, no, this part is so scenic, isn't it? Ah, good, there's a place I can get out of this cave. I was parking earlier. It was sad, well, funny and sad at the same time. Somebody else was trying to park too, and she was in a large SUV. That's a nice redundancy, isn't it? And she thought she had the perfect spot, and then she pulled up and saw, it wasn't this hydrant, but it was another one that was even more covered in snow. Is that a papillon? Yeah. We have... What is it? Pomeranian. Okay, we have two papillons. Look very similar, yeah. Yeah. She like the snow as much as ours do?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so do ours. I took them down to the lake this morning. They were just jumping in the drifts, having a grand time. Somebody's shoveling their sidewalk at least. Now the real fun begins, getting out of the parking space. Oh yeah, this is where that person parked before. Don't think the flashers are gonna save the person from a ticket, although the police are probably busy dealing with more important things. Might. Another beautiful thing about Chicago. You can walk along talking to yourself. It's no big deal. Sorry about that, folks. So exciting, huh?